Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Egg, North Carolina. Bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2017 Buick Enclave with the leather package. Has 129,000 miles, and this is a one owner with a clean Carfax report. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So you can see this Enclave has a really nice bright white exterior finish, lots of chrome details. No major dents, dings, scratches, or rust. No corrosion. You see it's got the roof rails, backup camera, dual exhaust. And as we mentioned, it's got a clean Carfax report, so no accident history whatsoever. A one owner from right here in the central part of North Carolina. So here's a shot of the driver's side. Power seats, you can see the leather is in immaculate condition. Dual sunroof. Navigation, automatic climate control, cruise, all the standard features that come with the leather package. It's a shot of the second row, also nice and clean. Headliner's in great shape, rear AC. Third row as well. No smoky smell or pet odor. Has a nice power lift gate. Nice little storage area here in the back, and of course that third row will fold down, giving you some more space. Some nice storage under here as well. A quick shot of the passenger side. Again, just exceptionally clean, well taken care of. It's also got a nice set of wheels and tires, four almost brand new Pirelli tires, and then of course you got this 19-inch chrome clad wheel. All four are in great condition, no corrosion, no curb rash. Nice and clean under the hood as well. No rust or corrosion. This 3.6 liter V6 runs nice and smooth. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2017 Buick Enclave. We have more pictures and information on our website at byronthomasauto.com. And then of course you can check out our Facebook and Instagram pages where we update our inventory regularly. Have a great day.